Newton-Raphson method. This method is named after two mathematicians, Isaac Newton and Joseph Raphson. So, what is the name of this method? Newton-Raphson method. Next is a way to quickly find good approximation for the root of a real valued function. What is the root of the real valued function here? F of x equals to 0. So, with the help of this method, we can quickly find the approximate roots. Now, coming to the method, first we have to consider the first degree equation. What is the first degree equation here? F of x equals to a naught x plus a1 equals to 0. This is our equation 1. Here first degree equation means we are considering only a naught x plus a1 equals to 0. This is our equation 1. Now the solution of equation 1 is given by how to write the solution of this equation. X equals to minus a1 by a naught. This is the equation 2. Now what is the solution of this equation 1? X equals to minus a1 by a naught. So how we are considering this equation 2 means, listen here, what is there here? F of x equals to a naught x plus a1 equals to 0. So we have considered here a naught x equals to here plus, it will becomes here minus. So a naught x equals to minus a1. Therefore we can take x equals to minus a1. This multiplication form here becomes here division. So x equals to minus a1 by a naught, which is our second equation. Now we have to assume here a naught and a1 in equation 1 by using the conditions. See what are the conditions we have used here. F of xk equals to a naught xk plus a1. Next here xk, why we have to here xk? Xk is the root of the equation. So in the place of x we are taking here xk. That is root. Xk is the root of the equation. Now f of xk equals to a naught xk plus a1. Now we have to differentiate this f of xk. So f dash of xk equals to a naught. Here xk, differentiation of xk means here 1. Here constant we will get 0. So what we will get here? F dash of xk equals to a naught. Now that is fk equals to a naught xk plus a1. Fk dash equals to a naught. So now solving the equations, now we have to solve this equation 1 and 2. What we will get here? Here a naught, what is a naught? A naught means what is there here? Now we have to take this a naught equals to fk dash. Now a1 equals to, here a1, what we are taking here a1, fk minus fk dash xk. See what is a naught here? A naught means fk dash. So in the place of a naught, what we are taking here? Fk dash, xk as usual. So fk minus fk dash into xk. This is our equation 3. Okay, is it clear? Now on substituting, we have to substitute again this a naught and a1 from equation 2 and equation 3, representing the approximate value. Now we are representing one more approximate value. What is the approximate value here? Xk plus 1. As I told you, we have to take the approximate value xk plus 1. Then what we will get here? Xk plus 1 equals to minus fk minus f dash k xk by fk dash. So by substituting in equation 2, what is equation 2 here? X equals to minus a1 by a naught. So what is a1 here? Minus, as it is we have to take fk minus f dash k xk by what is a naught here? fk dash. So now, so what it became here? Xk equals to minus fk minus f dash k xk by f dash k. So in the same way we have to take here xk plus 1 equals to minus fk minus fk dash xk by f dash k. Now we have to separate this minus fk by f dash k. Here minus into minus, what will become? Plus f dash k xk by f dash k. Now here this should be remain as it is. Now here f dash k will be cancelled. So what will be remaining here? Fk by f dash k plus what it is there here? Xk. So now we have to take here plus value we have to take here first. So xk plus, therefore xk plus 1 equals to xk, this minus fk by f dash k. So this is the Newton-Raphson method. So what is the formula of Newton-Raphson method? This is very important here. xk plus 1 equals to xk minus fk by fk dash. This is the formula for Newton-Raphson method. Is it clear up to here? Okay. Now let us discuss the problem based on Newton-Raphson method. So Newton-Raphson method is also known as NR method. Okay. So let us discuss the problem now. What is the problem given here? Find by Newton-Raphson method the real root of 3x minus cos x minus 1 equals to 0. So what is the equation given here? 3x minus cos x minus 1 equals to 0. By using this Newton-Raphson method, we have to find the real roots. For this, what is given here? Let f of x equals to 3x minus cos x minus 1 equals to 0. Now, we have to take again differentiation. As I discussed in the method, what we have to take? Differentiation. So, f dash of x equals to 3 into x means differentiation of x, what we will get? 1. So, 3 into 1 minus cos x differentiation minus sin x. So, what is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. Minus of sin x. Next constant. What is there here? Minus 1, which is a constant. So, we have to consider as 0. So, f dash of x equals to 3 into 1, 3. Minus into minus, what will become? Plus sin x. Okay. So, f dash of x equals to 3 plus sin x. This is the f dash of x. Now for finding the real roots, we have to take here, let x equals to 0. What we have to take in the place of x? X equals to 0. Now we have to substitute this x value in the place of f of x. So f of 0 equals to 3 into x means 3 into 0 minus cos x. Here cos 0 minus 1. 3 into 0, 0. Cos 0, what we will get? 1. Cos 0 value is, I will mention here, see. Since cos 0 equals to 1. So, minus 1 as it is. Now what we will get here? Minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Which is less than 0. So, this is the value of f of 0. Now, for finding the real roots, one should be less than and one value should be less than and one value should be greater than. Now we got here less than value. So now we have to take, let x equals to 1. Now let us see by taking x equals to 1. So f of 1 equals to 3 into 1 minus cos 1 minus 1. Now f of 1 equals to 3 into 1 minus cos 1 minus 1. So 3 ones are here 3. Cos 1 value, what is the value of cos 1? Since cos 1 equals to 0.50. So cos 1 value is 0.50 minus 1. After calculating this, f of 1 equals to 1.4597, which is greater than 0. So this is the f of value. Now we got one less than value, one greater than value. So we can say that the root lies between 0 and 1. Therefore, the root lies between 0, 1. So the root lies between 0, 1. So the root lies between 0, 1. What we have to take this 0, 1 as? 0 as A and 1 as B. Now x naught equals to A plus B by 2. So x naught equals to, what is A here? 0 plus B 1 by 2. So what we will get here? X naught equals to 1 by 2. Therefore x naught equals to 1 by 2 means 0.5. This is the value of x naught. So what is the value of x naught here? 0.5. Now by Newton-Raphson method, that is NR method, what is the formula we have? by NR method we have xk plus 1 equals to xk minus fk by fk dash. This is the formula of NR method. Xk plus 1 equals to xk minus fk by fk dash. So k equals to 0. We have to take here k equals to 0. Put k equals to 0. So in the place of k, what we have to take here? 0. So now k equals to 0. So in the place of k, what we have to take here? x0 plus 1 equals to x0 minus f of x0 by f dash of x0. So what is the so x0 plus 1 x1 here. Now what is the value of x0 since x0 equals to 0.5. So in the place of x0, what we are taking here? 0.5 minus here what is the equation here given here in the question? F of x equals to 3x minus cos x minus 1. So in the place of x we have to substitute this 0.5. So 3 into 0.5 minus cos into 0.5 minus 1. Next f dash of x means 3 plus sin x. So 3 plus sin x naught 0.5. Therefore x equals to 0.5 minus what we will get after calculating this value? Minus of 0.3775 by 3.4794. So 0.5 equals to 0.5 minus of minus becomes plus here. Same as it is we have to write here. 0.3775 by 3.4794. Getting this whole, what we are getting? x1 equals to, therefore x1 equals to 0.6084. So this is the value of x1. Now put k equals to 1. First we have to k equals to 0. Now k equals to 1. So now therefore 1 plus 1 here. In the place of k we have to substitute 1 plus 1 equals to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. So here 1 plus 1 means what we can write here? x2. Here what is the value of x1? We have to substitute this x1 value here. Now what is x1 here? 0.6084 minus same manner we have to substitute here. In the place of 0.5 we have to take this x1 value. Now minus 3 into, in the same equation we have to consider, substitute 3 into 0.6084 minus cos of 0.6084 minus 1 divided by f dash of x means 3 plus sin x. So 3 plus, in the place of x, x1. 3 plus sin of 0.6084. So x2 we have substituted this. Now 0.6084 minus, after substituting, after calculating this, what we are getting here? 0.0046 by 3.5715. So after calculating the whole, what we are getting here? x2 equals to 0.6072. So what we have discussed in the question earlier, we have to find the roots, real roots. So what are the roots we got? 0, 1. We have to take up between 0, 1 only. If again we have started again next iteration, again one more iteration, value will be more than 1. So we can stop up till here. So what is the value of x2? 0.607. So therefore the root of the given equation is, therefore the root of the given equation is x2 equals to, what is x2? 0.6072. This is the real root of the given equation. So this is about the Newton-Raphson method and its problem.